Meaning of Harold Lloyd.
Harold Lloyd.
Harold Lloyd.
Harold Lloyd.
Harold Lloyd. Harold Lloyd was an American actor and filmmaker who rose to fame in the silent film era. He was best known for his comedic roles and elaborate stunts, particularly his ability to perform dangerous stunts without the use of special effects or doubles. Lloyd's most famous film is Safety Last, 1923, which features a scene of him hanging from the hands of a clock on the side of a building. His popularity declined with the advent of talkies, but his legacy as a pioneer of physical comedy endures to this day.